Hey there, how's it going? My name is Sujin, I'm from Odessa, it's a beautiful city in Ukraine, and today I am here to show you the final project for CS50 Python course. The name of it is Time Tracker. So the main point of this application is in his title. So let's just dive into the program. So here we go. I open my project in Visual Studio Code and already opened the README file. Here you can see I didn't put the link to my video because I'm recording. So description section, some table of contents. You can navigate to every section, and that's it for now. So next, for example, I want to show you JSON file which store every data about your activities. As you see, first object is Visual Studio Code, next clock, and etc. Total time, it sums up each seconds for the whole time of using the program. And let's just try it out and run my program. Firstly, I would like to delete this data.json file. Okay, so run the program. Here we have lists of commands which you can use when you running my project through command prompt. For example, right now this main cycle in a project by a file is running, and it's counting every second I spend here. For example, right now I'm using Visual Code Studio, and for example, let's just try to open Google. Wait a second, for a couple of seconds. Let's just run a clock, for example. I would like to start it for 5 seconds, okay, and then stop the program execution. And then we have our data apps JSON file with the all counting. So now let's try to run my program through command prompt. Firstly, we need to navigate to my main folder. Here we have our project. As you can see, I have Tkinter folder, which means I try to create the interface, but it's currently under development. So we'll see how fast I will manage the problem which I have, and then my program will have interface. So let's just print CMD here. Here we have our command prompt window, and okay, Python, it doesn't necessary, but Python project .py. Here we have our list, and the cycle is working right now, program. Now we just press Ctrl C, and the data here is updated, as you can see. And now we can try our command list. For example, let's just use list here. Here we go. We have our list with all applications we used before. Instead of list, write day. Here we go, our list with all application except total time, and we can see how it looks like with the second, the minutes, and hours. And then let's try to use another one. Today, clock. Yeah, it only shows you the clock, amount of time you spend. So, and etc. And that's it for the day, I guess. And I will try to keep you posted about every new commit and new changes. And I hope see you soon. Bye.